welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a short video of an unboxing of some new props I ordered. I always get my fire props from Dark Monk. They're amazing, love their products. Isn't sponsored at all, I use my own money for this, but these are some new props I'm excited to play with. My stream was amazing and we knocked out a goal, so we're going to be doing a fire stream here soon on Twitch. And I wanted to get a bunch of new props so we can play with several props instead of just the two I have. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. If you want to pause the video and comment below if you want to guess what fire props I got, feel free to do so. Here is the box, just so we have like a gander of a guess. I'm excited. I love unboxing new props. It's my favorite thing to do. It's like Christmas every time. Okay, so this is first. So this is a palm torch. They go on your palms just like this. You get very creative and like artsy with it. So this is going to be really fun to play with. That's one. I'm guessing the other one's down below. Oh, it is. It's on the bottom. Okay. So here's the other one we got. This is a contact sword. I have never used a contact prop before, so this is going to be completely new to me. It does do a lot of like the rolling that you do with a dragon staff, so that'll be different. I'm not going to be rolling it around my neck while it's on fire to start with. We're just going to be kind of like playing around with it, but I know eventually I'm gonna want to roll it around my neck and get very skillful and creative with it, so that's why I wanted to purchase the contact. I got pink, of course, because that's my favorite color, but yeah, if you see, the craftsmanship for Dark Monk is pretty fucking amazing. I've never had an issue with any of their shipping or products or anything like that. Even during the height of the pandemic, they were amazing. Now if I can get the other prop. What is this? Oh, I got a sticker. Focus. Might be easier. There we go. But I love it. It's super sweet, simple. Also, this cushion is very thick. Love that. But yeah, I'm excited to play with these. I'm probably eventually going to make some UV covers for them and to be able to do it on stream too. For tonight, stream doesn't know it, but I'm going to cover this bad boy with some tape and flow with it on stream. Maybe play around with it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this really super short video. I'm going to be doing a tutorial and comparison videos here soon. I've been super busy. We got 8 new baby chickens and my 8-year-old just celebrated his birthday, so it's been a little crazy in my house, but we're getting back to normal. But until next time, thank you so much for spending your time here watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Your time's the most valuable thing you can give anyone ever. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Goodbye!